Baby Farm Animals, A Little Golden Book by Garth Williams. Baby cats are called kittens. They love playing on the farm. At night, the farmer gives them cow's milk, and they curl up together in the big red barn. Baby Rabbit lives in a hutch, which is her tiny little house. She sniffs noses with the kittens and puppies because they are all friends. Baby guinea pigs also have a hutch. Have you ever seen a guinea pig's tail? That rabbit has been up to some mischief, says the brown guinea pig. Baby ducks are called ducklings. They swim in the pond with their wide, webbed feet. Why don't you come for a swim? They ask the little chicks. Baby chickens are called chicks. They cannot swim. Mother says we must look for worms and stay out of the water, they reply. Baby pigs are called piglets. They love clean straw to sleep on. A piglet digs with his nose, which is called a snout. If you pick him up or chase him, he will squeal for his mother, "Help, help, help!" Baby dogs are called puppies. They stay in the stable close to the horses. They growl and bark at strangers. They pretend that the shoe is a big cat. They growl and bark at it too. Baby swans are called cygnets. They are covered with smoke-colored down, but soon they will have pure white feathers and long, long necks. Baby goose is called a gosling. She will be a big gray goose someday. See her brother with his head under the water? He is looking for something to eat. Baby horse we call a foal. She could walk the same day she was born. Now after a week she gallops. When she is 2 years old, she will be a beautiful horse, and she will be able to carry a rider on her back. Perhaps she will even win a race. Baby cow is called a calf. She says, "Moo! It's time for lunch." The end. Make sure to subscribe and follow along for more.